Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to have you here again. It's been a while. I've been away for some time trying to put some few things together. I promise this time to be consistent. Okay, so I'm already on my way to work. You know, I do 9 to 5. Then I trade forex too. I also have a side business though, but I will disclose that to you guys later. So I'm on my way, almost close to the office. Please do well to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. I just go to the office. Look at what happened. Gold usually just take me out from this side, and I started going long. You know, my stop loss was just under the side. Can you see it? My stop loss was just here. Took me out and then it's flying up. But let's see what the day has for us. Let's see. So yesterday I had these 2 trades straight into profit. This one, I took a sell from here. What did I see? I realized that price broke the psychological level and then came to test the resistance. Support that has become resistant came to test it. So I took a sell from here at this psychological level, and I ride it down to 100 pip. The stop loss was about 25 thereabout, and then I ride it to 100 pip. Then I got out, and I went to the 5 minute. I realized this thing again. I realized that price broke this level again and came back to test it again at this psychological level. So I took it from here again, another 100 pips before I got out of it. So yesterday was a very good day for me, but today I took a loss. I took a loss trying to do the same thing. And that is forex, you cannot get it 100%. But price is still playing around this side. I'm looking at it. It's almost 10 a.m. I want to go and get something to eat. So I'm going out to get some food to buy. And this is a Ford Transit 2023 model. Ford Transit 2023 all-wheel drive. Let's take a little tour around it. This is one of the cars in our garage for sale. Let's take a little tour around it. Inside is looking superb. Look at that. Very nice interior. Very nice screen. Very nice car. Ford, they did well on this one. It looks very nice. And this is their 2023 model. I just started the engine. Look at that. Yes. This is how the front looks like. It's a very nice car. It's a very nice car.
the firm. I had a firm I've been looking for years. But yes, you guys made my day when I heard you singing it. I think he actually has a version of it that is
everything is on point. It looks solid too as well. You see that this one will be durable. Very, very durable. As I'm me trying the reverse camera, it looks clear as well. It's now 10:50. Just done with whatever I have to do, so I'm now driving home. Very, very exhausted. Today God really punished me a little. I took 3 trades, about 2 hit stop loss and 1 was in profit. So it's just like me breaking even. I didn't profit today, but it is what it is. We'll go again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button for your boy. Peace.